The village Kavrau. In this video we're gonna discuss the annual drainage cleaning. What to clean and how to clean it. So if you could open that please. Nice with a crowbar. Yeah, and as you can see through the rain and everything, this is pretty full. So we have this nice little tool here, and hopefully that and you can already see the pipe going to the next drain over there, and then from there to the sinkhole. Yeah, as you can see, that's quite a bit of work, and of course the soil that goes out of here, put it next to A1 over there, or in the holes that you find in the ground or in the back. So we are now on the second sinkhole over here, and as you can see there's one pipe going over there, and then there's another pipe going to the manhole over there. And here again, same exercise. If you could get the soil out. Of course, as Graham does it right correctly, also try to get it out of the actual pipe. And digs the hole nice and deep. That goes quite a bit down, like at least another 1.5 meters. So you see how much soil is accumulated in each of these holes within just 12 months. So that really needs to be done on a regular basis. Right, now we are at the manhole, the first one. So you can see we're right here. Open that one up. That's a heavy bugger. And here again.
Yeah, you see, that's it.
Yeah, but this is just the one.
That's all concrete.
Yeah. But there's still quite a bit stuff that's in there. Of course, not as much as in the other ones, because it's not a drain. It's just a sort of a storage thing for overflow water. But here, same story. Whatever we can remove out of it, especially in the big bits over there. And of course, if you have a better idea how we can get it out of there, share it with us.